In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the AI assistant in the Oracle Analytics mobile app for iOS devices. The AI assistant in iOS allows me to ask questions in natural language, so I can quickly generate visualizations and understand my data without building them manually. In this scenario, I want to quickly understand which customer segment has the highest sales for office supplies. I'll start on the Oracle Analytics homepage in the app. The AI assistant is only available from the homepage, not within Workbooks. I'll tap the assistant icon in the top right to open the AI assistant. I can either type or speak my question. For this example, I'll use voice input and ask, which customer segment has the highest sales for office supplies? The assistant processes my request and generates a bar chart showing sales filtered by the office supplies product category, highlighting the highest selling customer segment. In this case, I see corporate customers are purchasing the most office supplies. I can view the dataset used for this result by selecting the data icon above the visualization. I can also use the Actions menu to interact with the visualization. For example, I can add it to a watch list, expand it, or share it. The assistant also suggests related content, including workbooks that match my query. I can tap one to open it and explore its visualizations. I can also use the Actions menu for the workbook to open it in a browser or share the URL. I will refine my analysis by asking a follow-up question. For example, I'll say, change to filter by top 3 sales. The chart updates to show the top 3 customer segments: corporate, home office, and small business. If I want to start a new conversation, I'll tap the trash bin icon on the top right to reset the context. I'll ask a new question. What are total sales by city? The assistant generates a map visualization, and I can expand it to explore specific locations. Now that I've used the AI assistant, I can quickly explore my data, generate visualizations, and refine my analysis directly from my mobile device. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Analytics mobile app in the links below.